if you wish to turn off all the location services on your Android phone, I show you. So first open the settings app and click the search and type location. So we have two options. You need to open this location with this location symbol. Okay, here you can see it's a single button to turn off all the location services. Turn this off. Now back and make sure open this. Okay, it goes to the same place. And Google location sharing, open this. Okay, it's already turned off. Back. Now again click the search and type apps, app management. Now you need to go through one by one app. So open Amazon and permission. See if any location services given to Amazon or not. For me, I didn't given the permission. So if you see like this, allow something like that, it will shows up like this. You just need to tap and don't allow. So you need to do this process to the entire apps. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Android phone, you need to watch this playlist.